Hey Glam Crew! It's your girl, Nikki, the Glam Teacher. In the club, in my plant, we be vibing. Alright, anyhow, so I went to Ross. I hope Ross is not one of the stores that we are cutting out and not supporting. I try not to go to Walmart, Amazon, Target, y'all, but I am in desperate need of some swimsuits. I ordered some stuff from Shein. They have not came yet, and it has been almost a month. Almost a month, y'all. And wait a minute, let me share some good news. Let me show y'all. Look. I stepped on a scale this morning, and y'all, I don't know if you can tell because I got on these sweatpants, but I am the lightest I have ever been in the last 7 years. Glam Crew, I am 230 pounds, okay? I have not weighed this light since I was last pregnant, and that was 7 years ago. Oh my goodness. Yay! Okay. But anyhow, I went to Ross and I had to get my baby some little t-shirts and sweatpants. Shopping for boys are so easy. Thank you to the big man above. He heard my prayers when I said, please bless me with a special little baby boy, because I can't do no matching and accessories, sweatpants, jeans, t-shirt, Spider-Man, and some sneakers, y'all. Some little sneakers and call it a day. Go ahead to Ross, $19.99 sneakers. But I found some ugly, swimsuits. I think this is ugly. It's a Nike swimsuit. It was like $20, $24. And this is by Nicole Miller. This is $16.99, and they're ugly. All of the swimsuits in Ross just looked at like straight up grandma swimsuits, y'all. So yeah, they look like straight. I'm a little, I don't know what we gonna do, but did my pants? Oh, I didn't fall. I thought my pants fell. But y'all, let's try on the first grandma looking swimsuit. So this is a first ugly swimsuit try on haul on Nikki the Glam Teacher YouTube channel. So it is okay to voice your opinions. I know usually we like to keep it positive. We like to celebrate everybody, and that's not going to stop ever. We are celebrating everybody at every stage, whether you have a natural body, a plastic surgery body, whether you had 10 kids, no kids, got cellulite, stretch marks. I got butt dimples. My butt is not perfect at all. I got my hip dips filled in. I've had a tummy tuck. If you're new here, look along my YouTube channel. I just keep having to say this every single video, and it's always gonna be somebody commenting something ridiculous on my channel, but no offense is taken. I am your glam teacher, so if you didn't know, I'm gonna teach y'all, okay? All right, so here is the first ugly swimsuit, y'all. And I did not shave. I'm gonna do all that this weekend. I'm going to get a pedicure. I'm going to go get a haircut, because I think this vacation I'm going to wear my short hair. It's going to be hot. I don't feel like dealing with wigs. Yeah, me and my baby are going to go get our haircuts, pedicures, all of that this weekend. I'm going to be packing, and yeah, we are heading on vacation. So here is the first ugly swimsuit. It is a size large from Ross, $24.99. It is a Nike swim. Ooh, it said it originally retail price was $100. I don't think this is $100 worth, but let's see if Big Mama gonna fit. Yeah, I see all this weight loss, but my back is not slimming down at all. So I need to start working on toning up my back for sure. So if you have any suggestions for how to work out the back fat and the side rolls, please drop in the comment. If you have a favorite YouTuber that talks about working out the back fat, let me know. Let me know. And I asked a lady in the store, she was in line to what she thought about this swimsuit, because I swear it looked like grandma. And she said it's cute. I like that it's low cut in the back, and it just might be like what you need to show off your back and give you like that nice shape. And this look like this is I don't like this, y'all. I don't like it. It's stretching. It has stretch. It's the right fit. Nothing on it is adjustable. You know how usually the arms are adjustable? It does have light padding, and I do have on my undergarment, but it got light padding that is removable, y'all. It doesn't have any special like ruching to hide your mommy tummy. Glam Crew, what is your initial thoughts? Drop in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking, what you're feeling. Because right now, a lot of the swimsuits that I have are 2X or extra large. And a lot of them, I have a lot of room in the stomach so I can have room to move. And this vacation, honestly, I'm trying to be like snatched and just show off the progress of my weight loss. And this is like, I mean, it's trying to snatch me. But yeah, it's giving grandma a little. Maybe it's like the design. Y'all see the design up in here? Is it the design? And I'm not editing this, y'all, because my vacation started in, like, I'm literally on hours countdown. Okay, so we ain't got time for all that. But is it the design? I don't know if it's the color. It has like a textured feeling in it, and it feels like a little cottonish. It's not the usual swimsuit material. See the design? Nothing is adjustable on it, and your back is going to be out. So, I mean, I think this is a no. I'm going to keep it for a couple of days, so y'all let me know what you think. I don't like this color. Ooh. And then, now that I'm thinking about it, it is kind of tight on my shoulders. Yeah, I think this is a no. This is ugly. So first, ugly swimsuit. Yeah. And yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a no for me. Let's try this one. Now this one does have adjustable shoulder straps. So I do like that. Let me go on ahead and tighten it up just a little. And I can tell that it has a little bit of ruching on the side, which is going to be nice for a little mommy tummy if you got it. Or if you bloat easily, because I know if you eat, I know me, if you've had surgery especially, and you drinking tequila, or if you eating foods that are salty, you're going to bloat. Even years after plastic surgery, you're going to bloat. When it's that time of the month, you're going to bloat. So I need swimsuits, dresses, and outfits that have that ruching so that it can slim me. Yeah. So, ooh. This one, my bones is cracking, y'all. Goodness. This is a, okay, so it's a large. Yeah, I figured both of these were large because they're extra large and above. Those swimsuits were really grandma. They were grandma for sure. For sure, for sure. All right, so it looks like this swimsuit is gonna be a little low cut. Let me take off my little bra, my undergarment. I wanna see how low cut it's gonna be. Is it gonna give a little razzle dazzle? And is it gonna be supportive? Because this design doesn't look as grandma as the Nike. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. This one doesn't look as grandma as that Nike. Yeah, I can work with this. And yeah, it's not giving much support. It does have very, very, very light padding. Yeah, it's not giving no support. So if you trying to jump in the water, don't do it. If you going down the water slide and just baby, you might be bending over trying to yeah, something gonna pop out this unless you pull these tighter. But these straps are adjustable. Got a little bit of gold detail in there. Not too boring. Not too boring. Not too boring. Yeah, I like it a little. Like I said, I got a little bit of ruching in there. Give a little bit of razzle. Ruching in the stomach, so if you're getting bloated, you're good. The back, nothing special going on. There go the back. The other one, it did have your back out. It's very scoopy. Scoopy. This not too scoopy. Fully covered in the back. So this will be a good family, mommy friendly swimsuit. I like this. Do I want to keep it? I mean, $16. It's keepable. But it's ugly still. It is ugly. I'm literally starting to pack up my stuff and my package hasn't arrived. I have 7 swimsuits in it and none of them have arrived. Now I have to settle for this. Like, it's not giving junk in the truck. That's like what 8 now. Hope got more booty in the butt. Like that. Those swimsuits was giving that. Like whoop whoop. Pull over. This is giving. Go sit down. Go sit down, ugly. I'm not feeling the confidence. And it's upsetting me. That's all I got for y'all. That's it. I'm sorry, this is not our usual video, but that's it. I gotta go. Where else can I go? Oh my, like, I'm running out of places to go in person and try and find something decent and something like, wow. Unless I wear the same swimsuits that I found at Macy's over and over. And I don't like doing that. Like, once I've been in a swimsuit, hot and sweating, and been in the hot tub and da-da-da, I'm on vacation. I'm not washing no swimsuit out. So I just need to put on another clean swimsuit. Is anybody else like that, or is that just me? I be having to need options. Say it with me. Options. Options. Okay, bye, y'all. I need to go look for some more options. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe.